Hello everyone. I want to thank you all very much for the wonderful year that we had in 2023. I want to thank you for all your effort, all your work, all the challenges that we succeeded to do together. And of course, I want to wish you a happy new year for you, for your family, for your friends, and to wish you the next year of 2024 being also with a lot of successes, a lot of projects, and many things to do together. Thank you all. See you soon.
Dear customers and partners, what a year we spent together. At Prodways Software, we are proud to contribute to your success. Thank you for your trust. We wish you a very exciting, passionate, and healthy new year. See you soon.
The year is drawing to a close. Therefore, the business unit Materials would like to take this opportunity to thank all of our business partners for your trust and wish you a Merry Christmas and a successful New Year.
Bonne année! En ce passage vers 2024, rappelons-nous que la vie mérite d'être entendue. Proximité, innovation et solutions sur mesure restent nos engagements pour votre réussite.
Happy New Year. We wish you all the best for 2024 and we look forward to continuing to serve all our customers.
En 2024, nous allons continuer d'aider nos clients à tirer parti de la fabrication additive, les aider à accélérer leur lancement de nouveaux produits et nous allons continuer notre développement sur les 2 sites en Allemagne et en France. Je vous souhaite donc une excellente année 2024, pleine de projets de fabrication additive.
We are one team, one ambition. 2024 will be the year of the development, the year of the concretization of all the projects we have already initiated. It's a year of growth, a year of challenges, a year of new customers, thanks to all of you. I'm very proud of all the division of Prodways, and I want to thank you all. I'm very excited about this new year coming, working all together for the growth and the success of Prodways Group. Thank you very much.